Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can strike through a text in your text boxes and notebooks on Goodnotes. So let us dive into this, guys. So what you need to do is highlight the text inside your text box. And here from, let me just highlight the entire line here. And here from the text formatting tools, select the one here to the right, strike through. And it would look like this. Alternatively, guys, you may use the drawing tool here at the top, select writing tool, and then choose, for example, the pen or the pencil and draw, I don't know, a line, for instance, here to apply a strike through. However, as you can see, that's not an exactly solid and straight line here. So you may also insert the shape and look for a line from there, for instance. So guys, there are several ways how you can do this, as you can see. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.